group Ndami American in 1966 brought a lot of people from the north, brought a lot of people from the west. So because of that, only when the Nigeria if I left and right, then UIU take over the rule of Nigeria, and one day was okay, and west, even they win the west. Corner about from Dami, be about Boone, Bo, Fat Union and Anki in Yemoke. Because of that, the commander of the whole Nigeria, which is Yakubu Gowon, for people now massacre Igbo. Then Ujuku now, so only Igbo, but a bob name on Genatawa. Ndị Igbo also ma ụfọdụ natara gbara aka nwere onye ji anything. Ụfọdụ hapụrụ ụmụ ha, ụfọdụ nne na-agba nwa na-agba onye ọrụ na-azọ ndụ ya. Ndị oge afọ anọ na secondary school. I was in class 3 na secondary school that time. So ndị mmadụ na-agbanata left and right. A na-ezikọ pictures ndị Igbo ndị ife ndị Hausa na-eme. I will be around 16 years old. 16 years old. At that time I was a class 3 in secondary school. And on a school, and I went off Memorial Grammar School, others, Anambra State. I was a boarding student living in the compound when the war started. Yes, I was actively involved in the army. I went to army. I was a captain during the war. I fought at Okigwe, Imo State. I fought at Onusha. I fought at Oka during the war. Yeah, I lost 4 cousins because of the war. They were walking home from Parakot. They were killed on the way. One is food. There's no food. The food you have, even if you have a small food, there's no salt. So a lot of people suffered from Washioko, even some soldiers, even some ordinary people. Washioko killed a lot of Nigerians during the war. I learned a lot. Number one, I learned how to save myself, at least secure myself to start with. Then I learned how to kill. Because that's the first time for me to kill somebody. And the first time I kill somebody, I suffer for it. You cause a very sickness. Knowing places I haven't gone before, they send you for work. You go there and fight. First of all, I learned military drill. How to march, how to do combatant, how to do everything. And how to shoot a gun. And he taught me how to know some places I haven't gone before. He taught me how to kill, which I killed many people in the army. And he taught me how to walk, because there's no car. You have to walk for miles, miles and miles and miles. They are not teaching the children because we are defeated. As a decision, the leader of Nigeria will decide on the academic world what to teach and what he will not teach. So there's no way to bring Biafra in presence of Nigeria government. They will squash it. They can't talk anything about it. I said, rejecting somebody you left. They can't go back and say, let's put Biafran War into consideration. No, that's the reason. So if you have children, you can tell your children about the war if you know. If you don't know, you keep quiet. One is Mark 4. You push, you put it, you place the trigger. One bullet at a time, but it's very, very fierce. Another one is Madison. Madison is automatic. Another one is Obunigwe. Nigerians call it Ojuku bucket because it can kill a lot of people at a time. It's electricity. It's electric. It's just magnified. They put fuse inside it. It can fly it. They land very far away. There's one you can put very close. He killed in front and he killed backwards. Yeah, you see, that time I'm still 50-50.
50-50?
50-50 means you weigh me this side, weigh me backwards, any place you weigh me, I'm okay. I'm a young man looking for what I will do. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So if you tell me climb this, I climb it in a minute. If you tell me carry this and go 20 miles, I can carry it and go 20 miles. It doesn't affect my body like now. I'm not old man. I can't do anything. But at that time, if you say running, I can run from here to Baltimore and come back. Any side of me is a strength.
Yeah.